Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XTR Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get some nice chrome accents along this vehicle, rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, a bed liner with the tailgate step. We got a soft folding tonneau cover, mud flaps on the rear, front, gripped running boards on either side with keyless entry keypad, heated door mirrors, turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front we got a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, 6 additional seat right here, 12-volt cup holders, 2 USBs, and of course you do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered locks, powered windows, mirrors, got your lights, parking brake pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 56,337 kilometers. We do get this lovely vinyl wrap steering wheel with your toggle for your volume, playback play forward mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, and toggle free screen. Drive modes are right here with normal, tow and haul, snow and wet, eco, and sport. And we do get our main settings on your main screen here, which do include display mode, trip and field, towing, off-road, and other settings. To my right, we get cup holders, nice little phone slot, storage here, your 6 additional seat with the headrest, and you do get your normal storage below, which you can flip those out for more cup holders. We got USBs, 12-volt, and your sink with more storage. Little storage here, trailer backup assist, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. Heated front seats with your climate controls right here, 12-volt and 110. Storage below, above, and we do get this lovely powered rear window opener. We have our hill, traction, hazards, and auto stop auto start, media controls, and your infotainment system where you do get your audio navigation, audio, and phone. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, your CD, which is just right there, SiriusXM. You got your phone controls right here as well. Navigation again, pretty easy to use. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your SiriusXM travel link, and settings such as Bluetooth, mobile apps, Apple CarPlay, voice controls, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8232A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.